In the last ASMR one, the ET6 quit really early because it does run pretty fast and use quite a bit of fuel in comparison to the ET1 and the ET6. The ET1 is still running in the background there, and the ET7 did quit. It completely ran out of fuel as well. So I have refilled the ET6, or 7 rather, the 7 here, and I am going to start that up and see how long it runs, because it runs so fast and runs out of fuel relatively quickly. I think it is going to run 20 minutes or something, but I'd like to see how long it goes, because this 1 and the 7 will both run for 30-45 minutes an hour on a tank of fuel, depending on how good a day they're having. So this is the ET7 with the rocket on it. I don't know why I can't seem to keep the 6 and the 7 separate. And I don't know why that is. But I have a note on my bar here, so. The ET7 also, because it runs so fast, runs hot, so I made sure it's got plenty of water in the hopper. And we will just see how long it goes. It's open about a little over a quarter turn, a third of a turn. There we go. I thought it was open a bit far. There, that's down to a quarter turn-ish. There we go. Yeah, that one's got that needle valve I should take a look at, because it's not quite the same shape as the others. So even though the fuel tank is down low, it only takes about a quarter turn. So it lets a lot more fuel in than the other ones.